I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 here, and in today's video I will be going over the full changes included in the August 2023 monthly security over-the-air update. While I haven't been able to install the update on my base model yet, since this is from the Panama region, Samsung has still begun rolling out this update to South Korean variants. With the launch, the company published a full changelog of this 1.4 gigabyte over-the-air update, and it comes with a lot more than just your regular security patches. The biggest change included in this update is a fix to what has been called the banana blur issue. This is an issue that Samsung finally acknowledged back in June of this year, and it caused a certain area of your photograph to be out of focus. No matter what you try to do, if you captured an image with the Galaxy S23 or Galaxy S23 Plus 50 megapixel main camera, then you would see a portion of your photo that is out of focus. This banana blur issue has been fixed with this latest update, and all you have to do is install it to resolve the bug. This update also brings a 2x zoom option for all photos and videos taken with the entire series of devices. I'm reading that this feature is possible thanks to an in-sensor crop that allows the camera to provide optical lens level image quality. This 2x zoom feature can also be used when you're recording a video using the super steady mode on the Galaxy S23 Ultra as well. The only requirement here is that you must have the latest version of the camera assistant installed and the crop zoom feature enabled. Samsung has been able to improve the blur of normal illumination when taking a photo with the 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel camera sensors. This has also led to enhancements of the motion blur feature when shooting moving objects as well. One of the last notable changes in this update is the increased frame rate when recording a video in portrait mode while using either big circle, color point, or glitch effects. The previous frame rate when using these modes was set at 24 frames per second, but with this update installed, it should now be bumped up to 30 FPS. You can see there are a number of other changes included in this update. However, the changes I mention here are the ones that stand out the most. This update looks to significantly improve the camera on the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. This August 2023 monthly security update should make its way to your model over the next few weeks. Samsung has a history of releasing these new updates to its home country of South Korea first, followed by a few select regions shortly after. Then, as long as there aren't any major bugs introduced with the over-the-air update, it will be released globally after a few weeks. I use a Windows program called Freya to manually check for the latest firmware update for my device, which you can also use to download the update faster than it is pushed via the built-in updater. And I'll be sure to link to that video down in the description below.